Hello and welcome to YK Computer. My name is Yugraj and in this video tutorial, I will teach you how to install Oracle VM VirtualBox with complete step-by-step guide, including the basic terminology. So first of all, let me tell you a little about VirtualBox, or what is the VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a cross-platform virtualization application. And what does that mean? For one thing, it installs on your existing Intel or AMD based computers, whether they are running Windows, Mac, Linux or Solaris operating systems. Secondly, it extends the capabilities of your existing computer so that it can run multiple operating systems inside multiple virtual machines at the same time. So, for example, you can run Windows and Linux on your Mac, run Windows Server on your Linux server, run Linux on your Windows PC, and so on, all alongside your existing applications. You can install and run as many virtual machines as you like. The only practical limits are disk space and memory. VirtualBox is deceptively simple yet very powerful. It can run everywhere from small embedded systems or desktop class machines all the way up to the data center deployments and even cloud environments. Now, I think it is clear that what the heck it is. Moving on, let's download the VM VirtualBox. You can head over to the virtualbox.org website. The link is in the description. On homepage, click on the Download VirtualBox 5.2. It will redirect you to download page. Here, you can find the VirtualBox package for your host machine. Now, what is the host machine? What does it mean? This is the operating system of your physical computer on which VirtualBox will be installed. The host machine will host the software and hardware functionality to the virtual machine. There are versions of the VirtualBox for Windows, Mac OS X, Linux and Solaris hosts. Now moving on, in this tutorial we will choose the Windows host as we are using Windows 10 operating system on our current host machine. The size of the VirtualBox is 108 MB. While it is being downloaded, let me tell you about the extension pack that we will require in the VirtualBox. What is the VirtualBox extension pack? Additional extension packs can be downloaded, which extend the functionality of the VirtualBox base package. Currently, Oracle provides the one extension pack which provides the following added functionality: the virtual USB 2.0 device, the virtual USB 3.0 device, VirtualBox Remote Desktop Protocol support VRDP, host webcam pass-through, Intel PXC boot ROM, experimental support for PCI pass-through on Linux hosts, disk image encryption with AES algorithm. VirtualBox extension packages have a .vbox.ext pack file name extension. As you can see, the VirtualBox is successfully downloaded. Let's download the extension pack by clicking on all supported platforms. This extension pack is of 18.7 MB. After successfully downloading both the files, let's head over to the download folder. To install the VirtualBox, double-click on the VirtualBox 5.2 setup. Windows installer will appear on the screen. After that, the Oracle VM VirtualBox 5.2 setup wizard will open on the screen. Click Next to choose the features you need in your system. By default, it has the following features: VirtualBox USB support, VirtualBox networking that includes VirtualBox bridging and VirtualBox host connection. Next, VirtualBox Python 2.0 support. Moving on, click Next. Here, you can choose to create icons in your system like create start menu entries, create a shortcut on desktop, create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, register the file associations, and click Next. It will ask the confirmation for the installation. Proceed with yes, and then click Install. You will be prompted by the user account control. Proceed with clicking on yes. The installation process will start. It will just take 1 or 2 minutes to complete. During the installation process, Windows Security dialog box will appear on the screen asking for the install of device software. Make sure you check the box followed by Always Trust Software from Oracle Corporation and click Install. After that, you can see that the installation process of the VM VirtualBox is successfully completed. We will not start the VirtualBox after this installation as we have to install the extension pack. So let's uncheck the box and click Finish to complete the installation. Next, to install an extension pack, simply double-click on the package file. Let's minimize the Windows Explorer. Now, as you can see, the VirtualBox will appear on the screen. After it, a prompt will pop up on the screen asking a question. You are about to install a VirtualBox extension pack. Extension packs complement the functionality of the VirtualBox and can contain system-level software that could be potentially harmful to your system. Please review the description below and only proceed if you have the extension pack from a trusted source. As we know, we have downloaded the package from official web page, and the description shows the functionality that are to be added like USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 host controller, host webcam, VirtualBox RDP, PXE ROM, disk encryption, NVMe. Click on install to proceed. VirtualBox license will appear on the screen. You can read this or not, but we have to scroll all the way to enable the I agree button. Click on I agree and you will be prompted by the user account control. Proceed with yes. The installation process will start. After successful installation, a dialog box will appear on the screen showing success. Click OK. Now we have finished installing the VirtualBox. That's all for this video tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will take a look about its options, settings, and more terminology and the concept of virtualization. Feel free to comment your questions, suggestions about this or any other video. Hit the like button if you found this video useful, and for more video tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.